We need to find Dad. I heard a really loud bang. Here comes Dad. We found him.
You guys, a tree fell down. Let's go investigate, okay?
Okay.
All right, follow me.
On your mark, get set, go!
Look at this, boys. Look how big this tree is. A massive storm came here and knocked it down. Should we use our chainsaws?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look first.
Let's see what happened. We need to investigate.
There's some big branches. This is gonna take the help of maybe 2 chainsaws, a generator, and your guys' chainsaws, right? Oh, and we're gonna use a tractor to load up all these heavy logs because I'm not gonna lift it.
He's so strong, he says he can load up the logs without a tractor. What do you think?
Okay. Let's go load up and get our chainsaws. Here we go.
Okay, let's get our gear.
We have 2 electric chainsaws that we're gonna go ahead and load up in this awesome Gator. And guess what we're gonna power it with? This powerful generator. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's go get your chainsaws. The boys have their brand new chainsaws, protective vest, and a work bag full of protective gear. Are y'all ready?
Yep.
Okay, boys, let's go.
Jacob already got everything in the back of the Gator. Give me a big yeah if you're ready.
Yeah. Ready.
Okay. Go to the tree, go to the tree.
We're ready.
Okay, let's go. Let's find Dad.
There we go, Super Brothers. Cut the tree.
Can you show me your chainsaw? Let me hear how loud it is. Daniel says he's cleaning the branches off. Oh yeah, you are. Look at that. Oh yeah, you're breaking the branches. Great job. You're helping Dad so much.
All right, let's measure it. It's about a foot thick, boys. We're gonna have to do a lot of chainsawing today. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Look how good they're doing. This is amazing. I'm gonna go and thin out this tree right here with this axe. There we go. Well, this is gonna take way too long. Let's power up our chainsaws.
Okay, we're powering up the generator and we're gonna put plug in the extensions for the electric chainsaws.
All right, first we're gonna go ahead and cut these little branches off so we can work our way to the big piece of the wood here, okay? Stand back.
Daniel's helping Dad move his branches over to the other side so that the tractor can come and pick it up later. Okay, I'm following you, Jacob. If you hear in the background that loud noise, that's the generator that's helping power the chainsaw. Okay, the boys are hard at work. Okay, Daniel is still working hard. Look at this. This is the pile Daniel has made so far.
I need the tractor.
Okay, Dad's gonna get the tractor so we can go ahead and get these branches out of here. Let's get in the Gator, boys.
Over here, Dad.
Okay, Daniel is loading up the branches into the bucket.
Got it.
He's gonna load it in.
Yeah.
Here we go, Daniel.
All right. Looks pretty full. I think we are loaded up, and let's go take this to the fire pit. Ready?
Daniel is on his gator. He's gonna go follow Dad so he can help him unload it because he's been the best worker today. Is that right?
Yep.
Give me a high five. Doing good, Daniel.
I need some firewood for my s'mores.
Okay, so let's get to cutting some more logs. Then Dad and Lito are gonna finish up with their chainsaws.
We need some firewood. And also, don't forget, every time I cut, I also have to push here so the oil circulates on the blade to keep it greasy. This right here is the perfect length for firewood.
I got water for Dad.
Okay, let's give it to him. It's hot and sweaty out here.
Hey, Dad, you need water?
Oh, thank you. I'm thirsty. All this tree cutting makes me thirsty and tired.
And sweaty.
Well, we went ahead and cut this tree to the best we could. It's probably a 2-day job, but we have some firewood. Let's go ahead and load it up in the tractor so maybe down the road we can make some s'mores.
Okay, the first one going in. Okay, here comes Daniel. He's loading up his firewood.
The magnet.
Oh, good job, Jacob. Use those big muscles.
I'm not even using my muscles.
Oh, you heard that. He is lifting some heavy lumber. Lito's using the axe while we put up our firewood. What kind of noise is that, Jacob? What kind of noise is that?
That's his super yell.
His super yell.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, here comes Daniel. Oh, Daniel's got 2 in his hand. Jacob's got 1 in his hand.
Dad.
All done. Dad's telling you to follow him. Follow Dad. Here is where all the firewood is stacked. We're gonna add some more to it.
Stacking up the firewood so it can dry out and we can use it later. Yep. It's called curing firewood is what we're doing. Woo, that was some good work right there, buddy. High five, man. We had a great time using the chainsaws and the tractor. We hope you guys love this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. Don't get